This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, July 5th, 2019. Today I got a call from a lady. She says her furnace 8-coil in the basement is leaking water. I asked her, how long's it been since you've had the filter changed? She says 2014, she believes the last time the filter was changed. So, I mean, they'll say 5 years. Well, that might be the problem right there. I'm gonna go by there and pull the filter out and run out and get the ones I need. And we'll check the charge in the system. Might be low on Freon, might be a backed up drain line. Try to get you some shots. Can't make this shit up. Oh, filter's only 5 years old. I mean, the thing should be fine, right? Only been in there 5 years. Don't even look like there's a filter in it. Oh no, there's a filter in there.
I thought I seen something. Would we have bought some?
Yeah, it's definitely
I'm new here, guys, so I don't know.
it's definitely leaking. Probably this thing's blocked.
That'd be a good sign. I'm not sure what the filter was like. Looks like it's all wet, huh?
What?
It's not coming out of the bottom of the bed.
Alright, let's shut this unit off. You got the switch on it? Let's shut it off.
Yes.
Oh, there should be a switch here to shut it off.
This one?
Oh, that flipping line is hot. The refrigerant line's really hot.
This here, got the switch?
That line's really hot. Yeah, the filter is just...
Toast?
Yeah, it's toast.
Obviously.
It's all wet, it's no good. I mean, you gotta get another filter. Coil's not filthy, luckily. Yeah, the pan's definitely something's dripping there. I have a broken pan here. Yeah, might have a broken pan. Yeah, it's just blocked. A little slime action. She's running out to get some filters. That's all it was. check the charge on this beast. I bet you it's something's not right. Something's not right. Yeah, the pan was blocked, the line was blocked, so I blew it out, and we'll put a coupler on there for now. You want me to check the charge outside? I mean, I think there's an issue with it because it seemed that suction, that liquid line was awful hot, hotter than it should be. But that's why it was leaking water, because this trap was blocked. Okay. So once she gets the new filters, slide the new filters in there, and obviously it's been running like that. That other
started like 2 days ago.
That other filter was 4 inches shorter than it should have been.
And plugs up.
Yeah, so. But what happens is there's a drain pan in there that catches the condensate, and then it drains out this pipe. Okay. What happened was this pipe was blocked. And so it wasn't draining out into this condensate, and it was overflowing. So once, it should be better now.
Okay. As far as checking for the charge?
I have to run the unit to check that, but this coil don't look too bad.
You want to do that after this doesn't work?
No, I want to do that right now. We'll run it, we'll turn it back on, and we'll check it. She's ran out to get filters.
How much more do you want me to check this?
I think I would definitely check it, just to be safe, you know.
Is it expensive to have you check that? Or is it all tied into the service?
It's going to be so much per, T&M.
Okay.
I got no set fee for anything on this stuff. Because I don't know what the problem is, right?
I got you.
You want me to check it? It's up to you. I would recommend it. Definitely recommend it.
Is it a long process? 10, 15 minutes?
Alright, the lady ran out to get some filters for this beast. We're going to check it, check the charge. When I got here, this line was red hot. This is a delay on it. There it goes. Alright, there was a delay on it. 22.
When it says clean air, when it says regular?
Just get the regular cheap ones. Get more than one, so she got them. I bet you the subcooler is going to be way up there. Yeah, see, the subcoolant's overcharged. That should be down about 9. It's got too much refrigerant in the thing. That's why it's so hot. Suction that so cooling down. Oil's nice and clean. We're just taking a little bit out of it. I mean, it's overcharged. Alright, so we're at 10 on the subcooling now. Our soup heat's still 20. See, we just dropped a little bit on the suction. That's better. Better charging by that because it's TXV, right? all right, so we put a new filter in there. And this is what was blocked right here. See this?
Oh, cute little camera. Okay.
This was blocked.
Okay.
And that's why it was overflowing.
Oh,
so there's still water in the bottom of this thing. It's gonna take a while to drain out.
Now, how about this guy? One time he went in there, but I don't know what he did. He lifted the cover up. Could that be blocked too?
It's not, because it's been working. So
okay. You said sometime like put bleach or something. I'm like,
yeah, it doesn't hurt to do that.
I'm afraid. I don't want to.
No, you just take this cover off and put some bleach in there.
You sure though?
Yeah, bleach or vinegar. Because if not, what happens? It gets slimy in there.
How much do you think? Do you want me to go upstairs and get some now?
No, like, well, you know, once a year, dump a gallon in there, or half a gallon of bleach.
And that little guy?
Well, get a funnel.
Yep.
And then just pour it. Because what you want to do is you want to keep the slime down. It'll get all slimy in there.
I've never done it.
No, but if not, you're just going to have to eventually replace it. It doesn't hurt to do that.
Okay, so...
I'll do it, but I have to
yeah, get like, you know, any kind of vinegar.
Yep.
Vinegar or bleach, and just get a funnel and dump some in there. And I mean, that'll keep it flushed. All right, so it's going to come back on. It's a little delay.
If it's your house, what would you prefer to use, vinegar or bleach?
Whatever you got.
I have both, because my daughter's in cooking.
What's cheaper? Probably the vinegar, right?
Oh, you just want to... Oh, all right, yeah.
It's just to keep the slime down.
So I'll go get some now. Should we put it in now or wait?
That's fine. You got a little funnel?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, a little funnel.
Oh, no, sorry.
A funnel and, yeah, that's perfect.
Do you want to bring it upstairs and rinse it out?
Yeah, see, so there's a TXV on this
I'll
thing.
wipe it out with the wet rag down here.
So it had to be done, charged by superheat. By subcooling. Yeah, that's fine. Just dump a little in there. I mean, that's just to keep the slime down, right?
Yeah.
Boy, we only got one return from the house, and the rest is pulling from the basement. I mean, not the greatest, but... Yeah, so there's still water in the bottom of this thing. If you wanted to drill a hole in there with a drill, it would probably drain quicker. You'd rather not.
I have